A new day, a new project, and hopefully a new fix. This is the camera I'm usually using to shoot down on the working table, on the working bench. It had developed in the last time something really strange, and I suspect it's a matter of contact. So when I'm trying to connect this to the USB cable to the computer, to have a screen capture or things like this, it's disconnecting, and I really suspect the USB micro connector, it's unsoldered or something. And let me show you how it's behaving. Okay, so I have a micro USB cable here, and the point is this one, it's really one of the best. This one, it's working somehow, but some others, they really don't do any kind of job. So let me connect this in here. So the charging, it's okay. Now it's starting, asking for what I want to do with the camera. Of course, I'll go to PC camera, and now let's open camera, and so far it's okay. You see, we got picture there. That's my Sony camera I'm usually. Okay, and it's already disconnected. You see? I'm back again. Cable. And it's gone. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Just let it be. For 10 seconds, 20 seconds or something. Let me try another cable. Camera. And this one doesn't feel like it's going too much inside there. There you go. Everything is fine here. Here too. Okay, so let's try to take this top out. I'm using a plectrum. It's simple, and we are out with this. As you see, lot of screws. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 9 screws. I already disassembled some, and also there is a seal, but it doesn't bother. Okay, and this goes out too. And now we should have this plastic out. It's easy to be done, but take care with this contact. This one, it's tied to the body, so I just don't want to disassemble it. Of course, the battery should get out from the first. Is discharged anyway. Now all we have to do is to take the whole board out. How we can do that? Let's start with the other side. Here and up, and there we go. And now the point is that we have the display behind there. All I did is to push it out a little harder, and the display went away. Now the problem is when we put the things back together, I have to take the back of the box out, because it's impossible to have this reconnected to the motherboard. Now let's take out the battery place, or holder, in fact, a little bit smaller or shorter screws. Okay, so the holder, it's gone. And we have here this small loudspeaker, and there we have the USB port. To have access to the USB port, we have to take out the light sensor, the optical and the video sensor, or how you call it, I don't know, the lenses and all this stuff. Long screws here, 2 of them, and really long. Just took the blocking element here, that's a blocking element in fact, and let's get the screws out. And now we can see the guts. It's V3 from All-Winner Tech G9005BA6EK2. This is a windbound, I suppose this is a memory, and we got some other circuits here. I'll have some photos. Okay, so now let's take a look to the USB port and to the board itself with the microscope, and let's see what's happening there. And here is my microscope. Let me have a card in because I want to record this. Power on and record. There we have the USB port. Well, I feel like this one on the far left, it's kind of not in place. So now I'll take my soldering iron and try to make a better connection there. So we got flux in place, and let's try to spread it nice, and let's see if we can redo the soldering here. Okay, and that's for sure the best. Now it's looking much better. A little bit here. I'm not convinced. Okay, but that's the best I can do. Let's see it again. That should be nice. This part is done. Now we have to put the things back together. Let's start with the sensor here. This goes up. The connector goes in, and then we close it. And now let's put the screws. We have these long ones. Oh, back. Over tight the screws. It's no use to stress that. And here we have the battery holder, kept in place by 3 small screws like this. We have a few with flat head and few with round head. So I think I'm gonna use the flat one here. I'm not sure if it really matters. There's plenty of place for everything. And now we have to fit back the screen. But you know something? It's looking to me like a mission impossible without having the screen out from the back. And how we can do that? We have to take this plastic thing out first. I'll try to make it from here. Where is my plectrum? Okay. You can use your nails, by the way. Here I have the plectrum. Nice and easy. This one should be heated a little bit before. I didn't. I hope it's not keeping the LCD also. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, here we are. Perfect. And we have another 2 screws here. 1 and 2. This probably it's keeping the LCD in place. Don't touch that. I don't understand. What is going on? Oh yeah, of course. That's a whole plastic here, and detach the screen. So this is a kind of frame coming after the screen is in position. And now we can even give a test. We can even try a test. Okay, the LCD is going this way. Okay, and now we have to lock with these 2 plastic things here. That's right. Let's give a try. Battery. Power on. Yes. Yes, we are good to go. Everything is fine here. Yeah, this one it's in place. This one it's working too. I can hear that. So we are looking good here. Now let's have the display. Cable in. Close the connector. We are good. And now the frame. Yes. And back in place. But I don't like the way. Okay, now it's perfect. And two of these. Okay, these are the ones. We have a pretty round head. Okay, we are good here. Now let's have the top back. Nothing else to do here. Perfect. And now we can give a try. Battery on and power on. Yep. We got sound. We got picture. Everything's okay. But now, exactly in this situation, we have to see if the real problem was solved. So that's why I'm gonna take this out. And let's connect the cable. I heard the magic sound. And no, that's okay. This is fine. There we go. Well, I think it's perfect. So that was the problem. Now it's steady and it's absolutely okay. All I have to do now is to put all the screws back together and start working again with this camera. Well, thank you so much for now. I hope it was useful. See you soon with some other projects, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to have fun. See you. Bye bye.